What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at XRP as it is performing really well along with the entire market. So after a huge dump during the past week or 2 weeks, we've now started to slowly consolidate back up actually, which is really good to see, especially over the holidays. Now if we take a look at any altcoin, whether that be API3 or AVAX or DOT or BNB or Solana, you'll see that they obviously had a massive drop, but now they're slowly starting to come back up. This is obviously usually just a sort of dead cat bounce, just trying to sort of find an equilibrium here of price, where after a huge dump or a huge pump, price after the next few days we'll usually see a reversal move, which is now what is happening. Now we have to decide whether this is going to continue on or whether this is just a slight reversal before we head lower or just consolidate more. Now over the past few days we were talking about XRP and how it should continue down slightly, down to $1.85. Now it hasn't done that. Instead it's been using the support level right here really well. It's been able to hold on to this level. Obviously if we go into the daily, the wicks have been very big, and we've wicked way below, but overall buyers have come down to this area. You can see as big of a sell candle as we had the exact same sort of size of a buy candle right afterward, which shows that buyers are entering the market and we are still looking quite strong even at these higher levels. Now another thing we need to take a look at is how Bitcoin is moving. You obviously need Bitcoin to move up and hit new highs, whilst Bitcoin dominance needs to head lower and hit new lows. You can see here obviously the chart is quite messy, but this needs to carry on going way lower and actually break way below $2,700 in order for altcoins and XRP to move in that direction also. And you'll see the entire market is practically green today, even the stock market, and that also saw a huge crash last week, which now has seen a reversal and is coming back up and looks like it can hit a new all-time high before the new year, which will be absolutely amazing. Now the main day everybody's waiting for after the new year is the 20th of January, when Trump is coming into office, and that again should spark some sort of major pump like we saw when Trump was elected. So that's really what's next on for the entire market, not just XRP, but specifically to XRP. We were looking at buys at this area. We may have also been looking at buys at this area, but I believe that was more so a lower time frame entry. So the main area we were looking to buy was here. Now again, we have to make our decisions very quickly in the market, and we have to adjust those decisions depending on how the market moves. So we obviously didn't hit this level just yet, and you can either keep holding this level, which I will be, or you can also add on an additional level to try and purchase more XRP at, which I'd suggest using this level right here as that level. It's roughly 5% dip down to this level, so again that can happen over the next few days very easily if this doesn't just continue mooning, and that's what we're sort of going to be waiting for and watching. Again, volume is going to be very low over the next few days as it is the holidays. A lot of less people are trading. Tomorrow the stock market is closed on Christmas Day, so yeah, that's what we have to really watch out for. It's going to be like a weekend trading sort of week where the volume is really low. So if a whale enters the market or sells in the market, that will cause extreme volatility, as there's not enough volume to suffice everybody, simply because there's not everybody trading that usually is. And that's what we're going to be keeping an eye out for. Now exact areas that we're going to be looking to sell is going to probably be roughly $2.73, and areas where we're going to look to place our stop loss or even more orders. Again, this varies whether you want to enter with leverage or not. I wouldn't suggest entering with leverage just yet unless you want to join the Discord down below, which will be the second link in the description. We have some insane trades going on there every single day. No days are missed, and the wins we get are absolutely insane, so make sure to check that out. It will be the second link in the description. Now yeah, I mean, stop loss really depends on whether you're entering leverage. If not, then you don't need a stop loss because it's spot and we can just buy on at lower levels. So the second level again is going to carry on being $1.87. You can even put an adjacent sort of buy entry right here at $1.96, sort of in between these two, in case we come down to this area, which is the fair value gap low, which we have actually already filled right here. As you can see, the fair value gaps do work, as we filled the entirety of it not only once but twice. So this is quite a confluential entry. Although it's already been mitigated, we can still come down to that area. As for sort of sell side fair value gaps, we have one right here which hasn't been filled yet. So if you're going to be entering a short-term trade, this is what you could be looking to sort of enter in at, somewhere around the bottom bottom of this candle, and your take profit will be somewhere around here, $2.44 to $2.42, roughly 7 to 10% profit. With leverage, that's roughly 50 to 70% profit if you're entering on 10x. Now for Bitcoin, again, this needs to carry on moving in the direction is. So currently we need to hit and go way above this area right here, $102,000. Currently just trading a bit below $100,000. You know, we were way below that a few days ago, but now it's really came back and looking really strong. Again, ETH needs to be way stronger than Bitcoin in order for altcoins to flourish. This needs to come also above $4,000. We were using it as a resistance level during the start and mid of December, but now we've since come down and need to come way back up again. As for dominance, again, we talked about this needs to dump all the way back down and start a new downtrend. It's currently in an uptrend, but luckily we didn't hit this high right here and we didn't go above, so we're currently now in a downtrend with a lower high right here, and this is the highest high. This is currently our lower low, so now we need to come down, break this lower low, and continue the move down. Again, super messy chart right now, but that's what needs to happen. The S&P is currently smooth sailing. Again, I think it will probably break this all-time high during the next week, wait just a bit before the new year, and going into the new year, I think it'll probably continue its uptrend. Again, we have a catalyst on the 20th of January being Trump coming into office. Now, if you did enjoy the video and you did find it helpful, please like and subscribe. Again, if you need trades being sent to you every single day, check out the Discord down below. If you need a place to buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrency, then check out all the exchanges we're working with down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.